watch the other show. You'll enjoy it. They'll be saying he's a nut. He's great.
And they hunt for logs?
Yeah. They do it in about 4 different states.
Number streets. And then there's a unique system for the east-west streets as they go north. It starts with, C Street, D Street, E Street. There's no J Street. They skip J.
This is cool.
And then after you get to Z, what happens is then it changes to one-syllable names in alphabetical order.
Hi guys! We're here. We're in New Orleans. William has already gone downstairs. Excuse this roughness right now. I have been traveling all day, but we are here. We're staying at the French Market Inn. It's a very historic older hotel. We kind of wanted to do that. We wanted to be down in the French Quarter and have a very historic kind of area to stay in for a couple of days. So I'm going to give you a room tour now, and we're going to take you along with us on our adventures in New Orleans. And then on Saturday we're getting on the cruise ship. This is our room. And the first you walk in and you see this beautiful old antique king-size bed. Love that headboard. So pretty. And then look at this, guys. Exposed beams. Love it. I love the exposed brick on the wall. So pretty. Your girl loves a historic building, y'all. So, of course, back in the day, hotel rooms weren't that big, but it's okay. It's just the two of us. And, I mean, for what the size is, the beauty of it just makes up for it to me. Anyway, so you walk in. There is a closet. There's a light, I think. There's not a light, and it's very dark. Oh, no, it showed up pretty good. Yeah. There's a closet with a shelf and a safe. And then I love the windows with the original ironwork. So pretty. They have some original windows, but then they have a glass pane over it. So, and then the bathroom. So a little bit loud, y'all. Fan. Has a shower, nice big shower. But my favorite part of the bathroom is this. It looks like an old piece of furniture. There's a sink for the vanity. Y'all. Love that bed. But these ceilings and the exposed brick is like one of my favorite parts of it. Love it. Now if you don't like old and small, you're not going to like this. But if you're like me, this is pretty darn cool. Look who I have. He loves being on camera, don't you, babe?
Oh yeah, you're better at it.
We're going to go to the Oceana Grill for dinner, and we're just going to kind of walk around and see what New Orleans is all about. So here we go. Look what you got.
We have etouffee here. This is red beans and rice. And this is jambalaya. Etouffee. Bomb. It is good.
It's called a Taste of New Orleans.
Taste of New Orleans.
Well, guys, we are back at the hotel, and we are what?
Chilling.
Tired. And we had a delicious dinner at Oceana Grill. We had the, what was it called? The New Orleans the Taste of New Orleans. And it had crawfish etouffee, it had jambalaya and red beans and rice, and we also had crab cakes. So William got a lot of his New Orleans cuisine checked off tonight. What was your favorite?
The crawfish etouffee.
Yeah, the etouffee was delicious.
Oh my god, it was, I don't know.
But we're so full and we're tired. Traveling can make you really exhausted. So we are going to sleep now, and we have planned for tomorrow to go to the World War II Museum, the National World War II Museum. And we've heard that it takes a good bit of the day, so we're kind of going to play it by ear after that. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Say good night, William.
Night.
Good night.